Hello, my friends. In this informative lesson, we will thoroughly learn and meticulously discover a remarkably clever and highly effective trick that allows you to completely prevent anyone from arbitrarily adding you to various groups or chat communities without your explicit prior consent or permission. So before we move on to the explanation, if this is your first time watching, please don't ever forget to generously support me by clicking the subscribe and follow buttons, enthusiastically liking and widely sharing this incredibly helpful video with all of your cherished friends and beloved family members. This highly effective method works seamlessly on the regular standard WhatsApp application as well as the specialized WhatsApp business platform. And this method also works on iPhones as well as Android phones. So, for example, we will demonstrate the explanation on the regular WhatsApp. I open it as usual and then I tap on these three dots from this spot. After that, I tap on settings, and if your mobile phone is an Apple iPhone, you can easily connect it. You will find an icon here at the bottom and underneath it is written settings. Since my phone is Android, I simply tap on this spot. Then I tap on privacy from here, and if your phone is in another language, remember the icons and locations you need to go. So I will simply tap on this specific spot. Then I will carefully scroll down a little bit further until I am able to find the particular option that is clearly labeled Groups. I will then proceed to tap on it. After that, this particular interface will clearly appear on your screen, as you can plainly see. Next, we will carefully proceed to check the very last available option, which specifically states My Contacts Accept. So I will now gently tap on this precise spot. Following that, this exact interface will then prominently appear, as you can readily observe. I immediately proceed to tap on this specific spot. Then I will carefully tap on this particular spot. From this moment forward, absolutely no one will be able to add me to any groups whatsoever without my explicit permission being granted first. If you've successfully reached this particular point in the video, please don't forget to take a moment to check out this very useful list. It's a comprehensive playlist of some essential WhatsApp tutorials. You will certainly find many important and highly beneficial tutorials there that you will truly like and greatly benefit from. Goodbye, all my friends.